everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update payment schedules. To do this, you're going to click on your Families menu and under Payments, click on Bulk Payment Schedules. This feature is helpful and will save you time as it allows you to update the payment schedules in bulk. You can search by guardian, start date or end date of the payment schedule, or the next billing date. You can also search by active records, the frequency of the schedule, and the type of the schedule, whether it's fixed, variable, or both. When you've completed your search criteria, you can click Search. You can either manually select the records you wish to update, and you can click Update Payment Schedules. To move the next payment date, you can simply enter in a new date and click Save. If you wish to update the records from active to inactive, in the active drop-down box, you can select No and click Save. If you wish to update the list of guardians in bulk, you can tick Toggle Select All and click Update Payment Schedules. And again, if you wish to move the next payment date, you can simply enter in the new payment date and click Save, or you can select No in the drop-down box for active to mark the records inactive, or you can do it in reverse and you can update the inactive records and switch them to active. If you require any further information in regards to updating payment schedules, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.